search for answers still on for the reasons for the demise of cricket in the region, maybe we should be looking at the myriad of smaller issues that accumulate over time that put us in this quagmire. Latest case in point, the just concluded Senior Cup cricket final, the top level of senior cricket in the country. That final was between St. Catherine Cricket Club and Kingston Cricket Club, and it was a 2-innings game played over 2 days. The recently concluded schoolboy cricket finals, the Grace Shield and the Headley Cup finals were also played as 2-innings games, but over 3 days. Yes. So the schoolboy finals were played over 3 days and the big man final played over 2 days. Remember now, these were red ball competitions. So it is from this same Senior Cup that players would matriculate to play for Jamaica in 4-day cricket and then further matriculate to play Test cricket for the West Indies. But again, this is part of the foolishness why instead of producing world beaters, we are producing attempted ball hitters who all them know to do is to swallow.